Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to do another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. If you're new, please click the subscribe button. And I want to thank you and also click notification for the frequent updates. Okay, so tonight's video is going to be about crypto. Right now, we're currently sitting on Coinbase.com. We're looking at the current prices of some of the cryptocurrencies. One of the most popular one is Bitcoin. And over the weekend, we had a lot of fun with Mana or decentralized crypto. Also ASM. ASM was up as well. But in the last 24 hours, Loop Ring and Store, Store J was up as well. So really quickly, we'll talk about the top ones. We do know that Shiba Inu was up last weekend. And then again, this weekend, Mana was up. So it was an exciting weekend. Within the last 24-hour, Bitcoin was up 2.83%. Ethereum was up 4.18%. And let's see where Shiba over the last 24 hours has been down. And let's see if we can find Mana. I'll probably just go ahead and search Mana. Again, Mana is attached to the whole new meta world. People are thinking about buying digital properties in a new meta world. And so Mana is still up again, 19% on the day for the last 24-hour cycle. But if we take that back to a week, Mana is up over 304%. So that is the hot crypto, the hottest of them all. But again, you'll see sort of those changes. If we look at Shiba Inu over the last month, you'll see as well as Shiba is up over 66%. Basically, since October 1st, if you had gotten Shiba before October 1st, you'd have had a 500% gain. And so a lot of crypto has been up. You can search different ones and you'll see all the success. These are some stocks that people took a chance on. BAT, basic attention token. Again, this was up this weekend as well. And you can see over the last week, it was up 51%. And let's look for the last 24 hours. Okay, so the last 24 hours, BAT has been up 10.34%. So how do you know which coin to pick? I mean, there's several, depending on what's changing in the world. Each week there's a new coin. Well, you just have to take your time and just do your due diligence. You have to study. I mean, if I was starting out, the first three coins I would go after, of course, is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then you have Cardano, and you have Dogecoin. Now, a new coin that I bought last week was ASM, Assembly Protocol. And I was fortunate to get it relatively cheap. ASM protocol I got last week at like 3 cents or something. So if we look at the ASM protocol, it looks like I'm up 83%. So you just have to look at the charts, look for the days they turn red, look for information. So as you can see, this chart looks very similar to Shiba Inu. There are some spikes. Sometimes the spike is when Elon Musk or some other, celebrity tweets about it, and the coin goes up in value 100%. Sometimes it's when the new coin gets brought onto the platform. So on the initial, like if Robinhood gets a Shiba coin, you're going to see a spike in the coin price because the volume is going to go up and that's going to increase the demand. So that's one way. You just have to study. I mean, you study some of the coins after you get the basic Bitcoin, you get the Ethereum, you get the Cardano, 3 basic coins. And then after that, it's a lot of research. Okay. So tonight, what I wanted to do also is bring you a few articles. Every crypto coins is on the blockchain. I found an article on TechCrunch. It's a little dated. It's October 16th, 2017, but it shows you all the applications of each blockchain project and which cryptocurrency fits in each project. So what application do they use it for? We do know a lot of the cryptocurrencies run on Ethereum. So that's like number one, but it shows you throughout this article the different various applications. So you have currencies, applications you hear, you have the NEM coin, you've got Ripple, you've got Stellar, you got Interledger, you got Monero, you got Dash. All these are going to be used for the currency application. So all this is in the article, TechCrunch. And then you'll have some developer tool applications. You've got Neocoin. Let's see, there's a number of them. Some used for legal type things. You got Cosmos, you got Polkadot. All these are used by developers. So you have, each coin has an application. Yes, you have the big one, Bitcoin, but there's several released on Coinbase that you can get access to, and you can start buying them now. So this is the article mapping the blockchain projects and how each cryptocurrency is mapped to a different application. Some you have for legal purposes. You have different coins for that crypto. For fintech, you have OMIs, you have SALT. You even have crypto for fund investment. So you've got all these different crypto coins, which you can find some of them on Coinbase. Okay. User controlled sovereignty coins. So you got cryptocurrency for that. You've got popular ones, Civic. You've got stable coins. Usually stable coins are related to the currency of the country you're in. So you got USDC. You have stuff like that is pegged to the dollar. The USDC coin, the US stable coin. But you have all these different coins that have different applications, and you can find them here on this article, TechCrunch, and you can map it out. There was one that I was looking for in particular, but I don't see it. But anyway, I'll leave the link below my video and you could take a look at it. The next thing I wanted to talk about in this video real quickly was the ISO 2022. This is from investorplace.com. What is ISO 20022 and why does it matter for crypto investors? Here's what the discussion is all about. The Federal Reserve Board, the body overseeing the U.S. Central Bank, has made a big announcement for ISO 20022 update. And so basically what the FSR has decided to do to choose which coins are going to be used by the federal government. This established global language for payments, messaging in more than 70 countries. So this is what you want. So this is why the ISO 20022 matters for crypto investors. Which ones have the global countries come together and agreed upon? And among the following crypto tokens that are compliant of the 20022 compliance document is XRP, XDC, Stellar Lumens. So you can get Stellar Lumens on Coinbase if you want to. And here it is. You can get Stellar Lumens right here on Coinbase. So any of these have a real solid possibility of being used by the federal government in the future, using mainly in the US. Let's take a look. Algorand. See if it's available here. Okay, there it is. Algorand is available right here on Coinbase. So again, between these two documents, ISO 20022, what crypto investors should be investing in, you'll be able to find in this article. I'll put the link below. And then also, as I mentioned, you have this document of all kind of coins, all kind of platforms related to crypto and what their use cases for. See, even they have one here, user, it's called the sovereignty applications. You have one called MetaMass. And so if you're into some of the most popular blockchains, Strong Block, Strong Block is one of the most popular coins out there. You basically make money 24/7 using blockchain. And in order to use to get your money onto Strong Block, you definitely need to use a MetaMask account. That's one of the applications for MetaMask. So again, if we go back to the article here, the article right here shows user control internet block stack, and that is MetaMask. And if you log on, you see the icon here. Let's look at the quote here. It says, over the last decade, we've seen a shift from desktop apps, things that are run locally, to cloud-based apps that user data is stored on remote. And these centralized servers are a prime target for hackers. Sovereignty is another area I find more interesting at the moment. And while blockchains suffer scalability performance issues, the value provided by the trustless architecture can supersede performance issues when dealing with sensitive data. Now, when you're talking about millions of dollars, I definitely want a trustless architecture. So again, you want to use platforms like MetaMask. Let's see. Okay, here it is. MetaMask IO. So you want to use this crypto wallet and gateway to other blockchains. You have to have a MetaMask account to work with blockchain. So if I try to log into StrongBlock, it basically maps you to come back here and connect your wallet. Now, the two connecting wallets that you need to have is either MetaMask or Wallet Connect. But in most cases, people use MetaMask. They connect their wallet, and then you can start buying your node. Now, nodes are pretty expensive. Each token for a node, I think it's like $1,000 each right now, each token. And it takes 10 tokens to buy one node. So right now you're looking at, if you want to create your own node, but you also get paid every day. So once you have a node, let me show you, you would be listed here. This user here says mod ZZ9, his location in Singapore. You get 10% on the day of mining happens. So let's just say 10% on that $10,000 on that node that costs you $10,000. That's going to roughly bring you $100 a day. So that's the benefit. You see they use Ethereum, and then also every month, I think there's a small fee, but basically you can see here where all the nodes are mining, and you know how much is working, and you know, ETH, and you can see all the money come in right here. But the basics is, if you want to start doing more advanced blockchain and cryptocurrency, you need to get into a wallet like MetaMask. I mean, some of it's underground and it takes a little bit to figure out. But again, you're getting paid 10% a day. Once you get your node on here, it pays you back into your MetaMask wallet, and it's a great way to make money off of cryptocurrency. Okay, so that's StrongBlock. Again, now for a lot of people, the simplest thing to buy cryptocurrency is just to come here at Coinbase and, type in here BTC and find their favorite coin, whereas Bitcoin, and click trade here. And usually it'll pop up when you already have an account. You click buy, you click, in this case, they're saying trade. That's if you want to sell your Bitcoin, but you would click buy, and then you could buy your Bitcoin or whichever other coin you want to buy, Ethereum. You could buy here as well. So any of these coins you can buy here on Coinbase for simple, just getting involved in the crypto game. And here it is, the application of all the new cryptocurrencies coming on TechCrunch. Here it is, the blockchain projects and how all the coins are related and their different applications. So this was my quick video tonight on where are we going with blockchain and all the new cryptocurrencies you're seeing, whether it's Mana or it's BAT or Shiba Inu. This is basically the blueprint. This right here, the blockchain project, and then also as far as where the government is going with cryptocurrencies, you have these 5 tokens or coins that the government is focused on using, and we should be transitioning to these in the near future. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and don't forget to leave your comments below. Also, if you like a free $10 of Bitcoin from Coinbase, I have the link below. Thank you and have a good night.